Hey everybody, Ace here, Restoration Warehouse. Today we got something special for you. 1962 Plymouth Fury convertible. Let's check this thing out. So this engine is a 1970 CUDA 440 with a matching number 6-pack. And you're probably wondering, how do you know all this? Well, from the previous owner, and Chad at Texas Thunder is the builder of this car. He gave me a little history rundown of how this came about. This car's been built for about 10 years now, and this motor actually came about because of a newspaper ad that the previous owner, he was thumbing through it one day, saw this ad for a 1970 440. That's all that it said in the ad. So he decided, hey, I better go check it out. Well, when he showed up, there was a 70 CUDA sitting in the driveway. Well, there was just an engine and transmission sitting right in the floor of the garage, and he ended up buying just the engine and transmission. I think the son had gotten in a little trouble drag racing back then, and so they'd pulled it out, put a smaller motor in, and they pulled this 440 out. Well, this 440 went and stayed in a shop and up underneath a bench for about 20 years until they decided to build this car. And so then that's where the 440 came from in this ride. What else is cool? It's got a Serpentine Kit, it's got power steering, power brakes on it, it's got AC, it's had all the wires as much hidden as possible in the engine bay. All the holes have been welded and filled and slicked up, everything's been painted. It's just a really nice, it just looks amazing. When you pop this hood, it's just not your typical engine that you're just gonna look at and go, oh, that's okay. No, this is something impressive right here. So if you want something impressive, this car is probably the one for you. Let's check out this interior. This isn't your typical stock interior. This has actually all been covered in bright red leather and white leather. It's got Bentley carpet in it. All this interior work was all done by Paul Atkins. And it is amazing and flawless. It's just wonderful, sits great. The leather looks amazing. Remember, this car has been done over 10 years ago. The car only shows for 127 miles on your classic instrument custom gauges that were done for this car. It's also got a push button transmission. It's also got a flip out TV. You're not gonna find that in your normal 62 Plymouth Fury. But what's really cool, it folds all back up and looks completely stock. So when you go to your little local car show or cruise in, everybody's gonna be looking at it going, man, this car is really cool, but it's gonna leave their jaws on the floor when they check out all the details in this ride. Hey, if you want more information on this cool ride or any other rides that we've got, give us a call, 865-409-5407, or you can go on our website at restowarehouse.com. Make sure to like and subscribe, follow us on YouTube at Restoration Warehouse. Again, I'm Ace, and keep the wheels turning and the tires burning.